Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering, passenger airbag, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, rear head airbag, bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.